Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to create a free website using Canva. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. Here we are with our Canva website, and here you must have not known that this Canva can produce us lot free website for us. So we can use this designs of Canva to create our own free website. Here you can see this option called as websites. Click on those websites, and here you can see what kind of website you want to create. You can create a blank website or a business one, portfolio, event website, education or retail or anything. As of now, let's say that I want to create a portfolio website using the Canva. Click on this, and once it gets loaded, now we can just find a lot more designs that are available for us if you want to create a website. So the best part is that as the usual website, we have something like a button which we can link to some other thing or some other page. Here also we can use this button concept, like we can create buttons, we can link them to other pages, or we can link them to other sites. Let me just choose one of these designs which would suit me. Let's say that I want to go with something like this. This is a graphic design portfolio. Click on apply to all 7 pages, and once it is done, this is how our website looks like. And this here we have few things like the title, which you can change just by clicking on it, deleting it, and you can just add anything you want, be it a graphic design or anything which you feel like you want to add. And the other text, and you can even change this images, you can add your own images which of your choice. And once you're done with this, you can just even choose another design which have the buttons, so that you can just even see how this buttons work. Let me just replace this with current page, and here I have few buttons, that is email me and my resume, my portfolio. I can link them, so I can just click on this, and I can just go to this three dots. I can use something like, or I can just go click on, right click on this, click on this link option. I can link it to the other pages that I have, any other pages that I have created on the Canva, or else I can give something like mail to, because this is my email me button, so I have to give mail to, and my mail whatever it is, something like xyz at the rate of gmail.com or anything, Yahoo. Let me just use something like gmail.com. So I'm done with this, and after this I can click on done. So once I publish this website, once any visitor clicks on this particular button, it will be asking them to sign into their Gmail account or any email account to send me any email. And similarly, I can even link this to my resume and this to my any other portfolio which I have. You can even change the text of these buttons. Let's say that you want to change this to chat with me, or connect with me. You can use your LinkedIn profiles or anything. You can even change the text color. And one more important feature is that you even have something like, once you go to the designs, here we have the section called as styles. So here we'll be getting all the color palettes that you can apply to your website. You don't need to be good at colors to choose which color suits your website. You can just go and choose some combinations. Let's say that this is having fonts too. Click on this, and you can just shuffle them, which will be taking you through all these colors like this. And you can just look at it, and the one which you feel good and the one which you feel like this suits your requirement, you can just choose it. And you can, well, let me just say that I found this good. I can click on apply to all pages. So for every page, I'll get this kind of style and font. And we can even explore other combinations that are available. Let me just even shuffle with this. Let's say I am good with this. Click on apply to all pages. You can make it apply to all pages or for single page. anything that is fine, which is completely up to you. This way. And this is how the style section work. Once you're all done with this website, click on this. You can just preview this website, how this is looking like with navigation. And this way you can see that this is how your website looks like. Once you feel that this is fine for you, and then click on publish website. And with navigation you can check this option that is resize on mobile, so that it would be looking better on your mobile phone, and it will be having another size on your laptop or PC. And once we are done, so you can choose this free domain, which you can publish to Canva domain, or else you can even use it with your existing domain. Click on continue, and you can give any subdomain. Let's say that my portfolio, you can say, and click on continue. Okay, let me just add few numbers so that it is available. And maybe now this works, and you can write any description for your website, and you can even enable password protection, and you can hide your website from search engines. As of now I don't want any of these settings. Click on publish, and that is all. So this will be getting your website ready to be published. Here we got our link that you can just copy and share it with anyone, and you can just view your website like this. So this is how this looks like. This is not a customized one. You can customize it according to you. The text, the style, the pictures, the buttons and all. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.